Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. You may have tried hash browns since they're very popular and they're kids' favorite. But of course, as we know, the hash browns that are sold in the fast food restaurants, they're not that good for health. So we have decided to come up with our own twisty hash brown recipe, which is better for health than the traditional fast food hash browns. And they are more tasty or as tasty as the ones that are sold outside. So let's get started. Since potato is the main ingredient of hash browns, take 3 medium-sized potatoes and grate them to be as thin as possible. After we have grated the potatoes, wash them 2 times with cold water to clean out all of the starch. Squeeze out all of the water from the potato and put the potato on a different dish. And then repeat the whole process again until we have washed it 2 times. Now we will add seasoning to the potatoes. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, which is optional, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to make it a little crispy. After we have mixed the seasonings, we're going to bake the hash brown. Take a pan and grease it with a little bit of oil and place some parchment paper on top of it. We're going to add our seasoned potatoes. Put them in the pan, compact it a little bit, not too compact, and spread them out evenly. After that, preheat the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 50 to 60 minutes. The hash browns are ready to be enjoyed. This much serving is enough for 3 to 4 adults. Enjoy them for your breakfast, for your lunch, whenever you want to. It is way more healthy than the fast food hash browns and the same taste or better. Try this recipe. Let us know in the comment section below. Let us know if you want us to try some other recipe in the future. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so that you can receive our new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Thank you and goodbye.